Hey, welcome everyone. Jason into details here with my 2024 Nissan Frontier ProX, and it's time to dress up this tailgate. We got this stamped tailgate. We got this really neat like black and red logo, and this is just kind of plain down here. So what I have for it is some puffy letters that fill in each individual letter, and it's kind of in a matching red and black, so it should really make this tailgate pop. So I'm filming this right now where it's nice and quiet out here. It's a beautiful day, and of course where I do most of my filming is a little bit louder, so the sound's going to change a little bit, but stay tuned. Let's get this video rolling. All right, everyone. The way these came, there's no template, and they just fit down in there, so I didn't really know exactly how to do this, but I barely have that tapped on, the F and the R there. They seem like they're in the right place by looking, so I laid this tape across. It does seem a little high in the middle to me, but you know, I don't know. It's just going to be a guide. I'll free eyeball it basically while putting these letters on. There's not much to it or watch doing this. It's very simple letters. It comes with like a little clear over them, little double-sided 3M tape on the back, so we'll see how they turn out. All right, so I actually think the tape idea worked out really well. It's important because like where this end is and this side of the end is, this helps keep it level. And I think it did actually give me a good frame of reference from all the way from one side to the other. Now I have not pushed them down. I literally just, they're held on by a hope and a dream right now. But yeah, I'd say it's pretty good and pretty level based on the stamp lines. I mean, it's never, I don't think this will ever be perfect, but I think this looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some pressure to them. I'm just gonna go use my towel and press pretty hard. It's a nice warm day out. It's about 90 degrees. And I'm really gonna press these suckers down. And wow, there's no way these are gonna come off without, you know, using a pry bar or something. So let's give them a little press and take this tape off. There we go. All right, let me get it all cleaned up. All right, all done. I think it looks really nice. These are very inexpensive letters. If you made it this far in the video, there's probably a link below to Amazon or Etsy or eBay. All sorts of places sell them. You can get them in any different color with different color outlines, solid colors. These are like an acrylic type plastic material with like a clear over them or something. They are stuck on extremely well. Before I had waxed this tailgate, so before I did that I used a little solvent or alcohol to clean that off to make sure they had a chance. And I think they look pretty good for now. Really does make the tailgate pop. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.